11039 Greenwood Avenue North. Camera inspection sitting in the city main. Pulling back from there, we're coming through 6-inch diameter concrete pipe here. Coming around a turn. I believe that might be our transition there. Got a little bit of root intrusion coming through there. Alright, now there's our turn in question. There's the side of the pipe there has a crack going down it. You can kind of see on the right hand side of the screen. That is located 5 foot 2 inches deep right outside this wall here. And as we come back, right here is going to be a bigger break. Completely separated pipe on the bottom of the pipe, so when you're flushing the water, all the water is dropping into the dirt. Barely even getting into the pipe. I can actually show you here real quick. I'm going to pause the recording really quick.